To the Moon and Back. So that's a pajama dress, and I like those because it doesn't require a lot of work. I bought another pair of sock house shoes, and I bought another pair of sock house shoes. So, excuse me, so my feet will not by any chance be cold. I do not like cold feet. Excuse me one more time, but I dropped this. So I bought me some socks. And they just slipped out of here. But I paid $3.50 for some socks. And I bought 2 packages of underwear. And I'm not going to take all of those with me. That's just what I bought to prepare me for the trip. So, you'll want to put clean underwear in your bag. You know, Mama always said, make sure your underwear are clean. And it's true. Make sure your underwear are clean. I like the non-slip construction liner for your tennis shoes or for your sandals. So these were $3 for, I think, 3 pair in here. So I got that. And I also bought a belly band. This was $2, and it's stretchy in the back, and it binds you in the front. They're going to give me one at the hospital, they said, but I wanted to make sure that I have my own, and I am going to carry it with me. And then that's what it looks like on the front. I am going to make sure I have that in my bag to go with me. And I think that's all I bought. Some cleansing wipes for my hands. So that's how I'm going to pack my bag. You may think of some more things that you want, but I'll only be 2 nights in there. Whatever I wear to the hospital is what I'll wear home, because I won't get dressed until it's time to go. But make sure that it's comfortable. You want to be as comfortable as you can be while going to the hospital. It's already a very nerve-wracking experience. So you want to be as comfortable as you can be and as happy as you can be. You don't want any extra. So I can't take jewelry. I can't take my rings. Can't wear any makeup. Anything like that, which is fine because I'm on a health journey. I've already lost about 12 pounds anticipating this surgery. And afterwards, and I don't know if I said what the surgery was. I am having a hysterectomy. It's not by choice. It's because I have stumbled upon some things that you just don't want to have to deal with. But if you have to do it, then you have to do it. But like I said, I'll tell that maybe in a story time setting or to sit down just to inform somebody else on how to go through this. So, and not to say that I'm an expert, but I just want to share with you how I did it. So, that's the surgery that I'm having. And I've heard a lot of scary things, and I've heard a lot of sound advice. I've had a lot of sound advice. So, I would be lying if I told you that I was not nervous. I am nervous. But I am going to make this journey with the help of the Lord. So, I'm not hopeless at all. I'm not hopeless at all. Not a part of me is hopeless. So, like I stated, my husband will be with me. He'll be with me every step of the way. And it is just such a blessing to have a wonderful, wonderful husband that has stood by my side since the very first day of this journey. The very first day he has been with me since day one. And that is an awesome, awesome blessing. And I feel privileged. I'm overjoyed to have to go on the journey. Like I said, it's daunting. But to have somebody with me is such a blessing, because I know a lot of people travel this road by themselves. And if it were just a hysterectomy, you know, just going under the knife is a scary process, but the process that led up to this is just as scary and just as daunting. So I'm blessed and favored of God not to have had to go through it by myself. But for those of you who are going through it by yourself, I am praying for you and praying that God's grace be with you as you, make this step. So these are just some of the things. Like I said, I think I got over happy and they told me to buy some brief underwear because I wanted to cover my scar. So I think I bought both. I went and bought briefs and bikinis, or high cut briefs. They call them cheekies. I guess that's how you say it. So, well, I don't want to ramble, but I do want to just let you know, if you're going through this, that you're not by yourself. This is just the day that I'm going through before my surgery, and I wanted to share that with you. Please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and hit that bell button down at the bottom, and that'll let you know when I'm going to upload my story time. And I'm actually going to take my camera with me, and I'm going to be vlogging going to the hospital and my journey into the hospital and waking up. I'm going to make sure that I have my camera there beside me. My phone and my tablet will be with me. So I'll have a lot of technology so as to keep you updated on my journey, and then how you're going to go through your journey. Thank you so much, and I hope that you journey well. Have a great day.